This morning we're going to learn about the max operator in MongoDB, and basically we're going to be getting all the values below a maximum. Now, one of the nuances between max and min, as we learned min about in the previous video, is that we'll learn that it does not include whatever value we pass, and I'll show you this in a second, and we'll compare the two just so that we know. But this value will give us all of the values, or this operator, will give us all the values below a value that we pass. So let's look at our collection here, and what we'll note is that we have some values where days of success is above 100 and some of the values where days of success is not above 100. So we can actually use the max operator. So let's say we want to get all of the values below 101. And we'll pass in days of success, and we'll state 101, or we'll pass in 101, I should say. And then we'll go ahead and execute that, and we'll see that our query returns days of success 19, 27, 33, and 69, but it does not return the 101, right? And if I specify 102, it will return 101, which makes sense if we look at it. So that's one of the nuances between min and max, right? If we go back to min, and I believe in our example we used the I want to say it was the 133. If we say 133 as far as days of success, you'll notice that it actually returns that document, right? And it returns everything above it. We say that is the minimum point that we're starting at, whereas the maximum point does not include it. Okay? So the max operator and the min operator, the max is getting all of the values below the maximum, right? That is similar to the less than operator. If I say less than 101, right, we're saying, okay, any value that has less than 101 as far as days of success. Like the days of failure, like the previous example with minimum, as you saw in that video, and if you haven't seen it, definitely watch it, you will see that this field needs to be indexed. If you do not have the field days of success indexed, maximum operator will not work. So make sure that that field is indexed before you use it. In the next video, of course, we're going to cover how to use the minimum and maximum as a between operator, as we'll see.